beside you, that means they're taken. Don't touch them. If they wear it on the top of their head, that means they're taken, but they're still messing around. So no one comes to church with a flower on the head. And again, is there a warrior in here with a lava? Is there anybody with a ear of lava in here? Come on up here. Come on, whoever it is, come up here. Who is it? Yo fui de cuando It's okay, stand right here, Brother Moletti. Brother Moletti is a high counselor from our state. Okay. Brother Moletti is going to show you how to put on the lava or the ESO solo, okay? You see, when you grow up in the islands, you only have 3 lavas. One for church, one for school, and one for doing the chores every day. So if someone steals your chore lava, man, that's where this term comes, you're hanging loose. Shaka, hang loose. So this is how you put on the lava. Let's demonstrate nice and slow. Okay, take it off and then put it out. He thinks he's a model from New York. Okay, I'll put it on again. All right. The right side, the left side. You suck it in. You tuck it in, and you're good. When Brother Moletti first moved to the United States, he had a 6-pack. But now he has a family pack. Thank you, and before I forget, we have, I don't know if he's still here, President Chandler and Sister Chandler, where are you? Are they still here? I can't see him from here. So let's give him a big hand for supporting the youth. I don't know if he's seen that movie, Moana, but he got himself a Maui tattoo outside. So thank you, President, for supporting the youth. Go ahead. Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from the islands of Samoa, last member of the eating will be the Tawaluma. The Tawaluma
So
is
can you record this? It's
the
not recording.
princess or
Just hold it up to the stage.
the daughter will be the one
Stand up and
that does the dance for the Tawaluma. In this case, Bishop Matapula's daughter will perform the
You want this?
Tawaluma for us.
Yeah.
I'd like to call Bishop Matapula to come up here. Bishop, where are you? He's probably picking up the trash outside. Okay, come on up here, Bishop. While Bishop's on his way up here, I want to make sure that we introduce our band this evening. Brother Loni Hafoka, who's dad. Uncle Karani Hafoka. And then Brother Yuni Ketuwa. These guys came from Missouri to help us out because you know how Polynesian daddies are. When you call mom and dad, man, they get on the road and drive all the way to California to help her out since she's our master instructor. And we appreciate you, Brother Hafoka and your family. Thank you so very much for to help us out. Just give them a
Thank you very much for everyone coming tonight to support our youth. I know you're here because you love your kids. You love the youth. The youth is the future of the church, of this country, and everything. I would like to thank for everyone involved this program from 3 o'clock this afternoon. I know you're here early because you want to see everything like the Polynesian group outside in the afternoon. Now you spend more time, more hours from 3 to 7. Now maybe it's close to 9 o'clock. You still here. And thank you very, very much. When you return home, Heavenly Father is going to be watching you, where you at, where you're living, and then guide us until tomorrow Sunday. And I hope for those who here is not member yet, the door is still open for you. It's an amazing story. This evening I went to the store. I was standing where the Samoan food in a Chinese store at Sierra, China. And the other guy coming and standing with me, looking the same thing I'm looking at the shop. When I'm looking at where's the place, the sausage, the Samoan sausage, and the guy standing by me, by my side, said, "Are you a Samoan?" And I turned around and said, "Yes." "What are you looking for?" "I'm looking for the Samoan food because we have fundraising today, this evening." And he looked at me and said, "Oh, I love support fundraising." He pulled out his wallet, open, and give me $100. And I went home and tell my wife, he is a BG. It's a couple. It's a guy and his wife coming in the same store. They came from Fiji. And the same as my wife went to the store too to buy something for this evening. And he met with the other guy, I don't know, or his boyfriend, or I don't know. And he said the same thing. He gave her $60 because my wife told him he come to buy something for a fundraiser for my youth. And he said, I love the sport to support the youth. Thank you very, very much for those people. And same as you guys this evening, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Thank you very much for President Kusao and see tonight. He was a dancer. I saw on YouTube when he was young, he's moving around, moving fast. But I'm telling you, I can't do that. I do that one too. But because this is a Tauruma. Now, thank you very much for everyone. Have a nice night tonight when you return home. So far, so good.
You know, the truth is, when the guy saw Sister Matapula, he thought she was a Fijian queen. So, that's why he's doing it. After the Tauruma, I'd like to, is Bishop Ula Matabao still in the house, or did he leave? Is he still here? When? Okay, Bishop Matabao, we're going to call on you to say our closing prayer right after the Tauruma. Samoa Sawia!
Bayağı iyi.